The pastel pink siding complements the vibrant rose garden. Notice how the winding stone path guides the eye toward the inviting porch during golden hour. This cream stucco home features a classic gabled roof. The symmetrical design highlights the navy blue arched doorway, creating a balanced and welcoming entrance. Mediterranean architecture often features pastel facades. Here, ivy softens the stone, while a grand staircase flanked by vibrant roses creates a dramatic vertical ascent. Wrought iron furniture establishes a classic country aesthetic. The pairing of fragrant lavender and climbing roses creates a sensory experience alongside the rustic, ivy-clad architecture. Pergolas provide structure and shade in landscape design. This wooden framework supports climbing roses, linking the cozy bench area to the sunlit dining patio. Xeriscaping utilizes drought-tolerant plants like cacti and succulents. The black metal fence contrasts sharply with the stucco, defining the winding path through the arid landscape. Bougainvillea thrives in warm climates, adding vertical color against brick. The symmetrical stone path uses potted marigolds to guide the eye toward the manicured garden. The deep red Japanese maple serves as a stunning focal point. Contrasting blue pots accentuate the warm brick wall, balancing the overflow of vibrant blooms. Repurposing items like boats into planters adds rustic charm. The gravel patio complements the wooden cabin, while the pergola integrates nature with the structure. Curved architectural lines create whimsy. Circular mosaic patterns in the stone path mirror the arched blue door, harmonizing the cottage with its lush surroundings. White stucco reflects heat, ideal for Mediterranean courtyards. Mosaic flooring adds artistic detail, while bougainvillea and hanging baskets maximize vertical space in small areas. Iron archways provide essential support for climbing plants. Here, peach roses soften the metal structure, framing the white pottage to enhance depth and perspective. Cottage gardens use dense planting for a natural look. Potted flowers along the gravel walk define the edge, leading towards the rustic wooden gate. Window boxes filled with geraniums are a staple of European facades. Blue shutters contrast beautifully with the white walls and the sunny yellow umbrella. Cobblestone paths add historical texture to landscape design. The foreground flower beds create a striking color contrast against the dense, dark forest background.